Hey girls, and welcome you all back to my channel. So today I have a very exciting video. I bring you a Michael Kors unboxing. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you'll probably have an idea of what I'm about to show you. But basically, about 3 weeks ago, I went to my nearby outlet mall and I saw two beautiful light pink bags that I deeply fell in love with, and I couldn't choose for the longest. So now, after 3 weeks, I just went yesterday and I picked up one of them. And I'm so happy with it, and I hope you guys are happy with the one I chose. I did actually make a poll on my Instagram asking you guys which one to get, and 75% of you said to get this bag. So I did listen to you guys, and I'm so happy because I'm so in love with the bag I ended up choosing. Of course, I still love the other one a lot. Like, oh, I just keep planning outfits in my head with that bag. So, you know, like when you plan an outfit, you're like, wow, like this is the outfit, and if I can't complete this outfit, it's like, what do I do now, you know? So I'm gonna show you what I got. So here's the bag that I got you girls. This is the Sofia Blossom Soft Crossbody leather bag. I believe that's what it's called. If not, I'll go ahead and put it, like, you know, on the title and also on the description if you are looking for the exact same bag. I did, like I said, get this from the outlet mall, and I am so happy, you guys. They had a whole bunch of other colors. They had like black, white, olive, nude, and like gray and other colors, but obviously the baby pink one was the one that spoke to me. You guys know, y'all know I've been on a baby pink craze lately. Obviously, you know, my nails, we got my bracelets, my boyfriend got me this. My boyfriend got me this beautiful home decor. It says there is beauty in simplicity, and I love what it says. It's a really light pink. I don't know if you could tell so much. I feel like what sparked the whole baby pink on me was my lash brand, which looks like this. As you can see, there's the eyelashes. These are in the style J50, which I'm wearing them right now in case you are interested. And yeah, they're really cute. They have obviously the baby pink logo, so whenever I post them on my Instagram, you know, for my lash brand, I hold them like this, and then like I snap a pic, and the baby pink on my nails matches the baby pink on my stickers, which they are honestly just so cute. So I'll go ahead and put my lash page down below in case you guys are interested. They're only $5, so help your girl out. So back to the bag. This is what it looks like. It is a tiny little crossbody Saffiano leather. I love Saffiano leather, and Michael Kors has a really big spot in my heart because it was like the first like designer brand that I ever like was introduced to in the beginning, you know what I mean? Because at first I used to wear like bags from Ross that were like $12, and I thought that was a lot of money, you know? So then my dad gifted me a Michael Kors for Christmas one year, and I felt like the most stylish person like in the world. So yeah, definitely Michael Kors has a big spot in my heart. So when you open it up, it does have like a button closure, which I think is so nice. That way you can actually know that the bag is secure. I did wear this bag yesterday and today. Obviously, as soon as I got it, I was wearing my Kate Spade Evangeline. I put all of those things in here. Well, pretty much just half, because this is a smaller bag. So in here, I do have my Louis Vuitton Kit Clé and Damir Ebene. I carry this thing everywhere because I have my whole life on there. Then I did get this little wallet from Miss A. It's just a little poof one, and I think it's so cute. Obviously, it's soft pink, right? And then obviously my red coin purse. This is where I keep all my coins. I was gonna get a wallet from Michael Kors. It was like the card holder one, Saffiano leather. It had like the keychain thing on it. I'll go ahead and insert a picture right here. That was the card wallet that I was gonna get, but I don't know, you guys. I was like, I don't want to make like too much damage, you know? So then I have some dollars here, which I need to put in my other bag, and then another $1, holla. And then we've got the lip color that I'm wearing, which is NYX Suede in Soft Spoken. I'm wearing it right now. I discovered this my junior year of high school, and I've been like in love, and I recently just like rediscovered it again. I was like, oh, I have this, and put it on, saw how it looked, loved it. Obviously my pink portable charger, which I got like throwback in November, but it didn't work. But now it works. And my boyfriend, he has my black portable charger, my black web charger, and that one works really nice. But as of now, I just have this one. And then I've got my key bag, which in here I just keep my house key, because I like freak out, you guys. Like, I like to make sure I have my things, you know? So then that's pretty much everything that I have in my bag. Obviously, it does have a little zippy bag, private pocket, which is amazing. And then I haven't taken the tag off, but this bag, if you want to screenshot like the whole information on it, it's originally $328. But obviously, since I did go to the outlet mall, this one was $99. So with tax and everything, I ended up paying $106 with like a few cents. So yeah, I really think it's a really good price. You know, if you're trying to get like a bag that you could wear like seasonal, you know, like a spring bag, my summer bag. Of course, this is my spring summer bag. I'm obviously gonna wear it like in the fall and in the winter because you guys, I love winter whites. Something about winter whites is just so exciting. Like, okay, picture this, like a whole white outfit with this and like some nude knee-high boots. Like, how cute would that look? You know, like a white knitted sweater, white jeans, nude knee-high boots, and then this with like your hair like in a big donut bun. That is so cute. You know what? I'm gonna wear that outfit. Like, I'm gonna write it down. Like, I write down my outfits whenever I'm bored and have like nothing else to do. So yeah, so one day in the winter when I don't know what to wear, I could just like, oh, you know, I could wear this. So yeah, let me know what you think about my new bag. You will definitely be seeing this bag a lot in my videos. If you guys want a purse collection or anything like that, please leave it in the comments down below. I think we're done almost with the whole like bougie on a budget series. So I know a lot of you girls hated those videos and I know a lot of you girls love those videos. So yeah, now that that season sort of thing is kind of ending, I need to know what kind of videos you girls want to see. If you guys want to see more fashion, more makeup, more bags, more anything jewelry, let me know. So yeah, with all that being said, I will see you all girls in my next video. Bye y'all.